Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. My warm greetings to our partners at Chongsan Supermarket and Department Store, our local entrepreneurs, at syempre sa ating mga valued customers. On behalf of the City Government of Baguio, welcome to the staging of the Mid-Year Bonanza from May 29 to June 7, 2026. Initiatives like this play a big role in strengthening our local economy, especially by providing our entrepreneurs with access to more competitively priced goods that help sustain and grow their businesses. Our small business owners are at the backbone of our community. By empowering them, we create more opportunities, generate livelihoods, and build more resilient Baguio City. Sa bonansang gaya nito, pinibigyan din ang ating mga consumers ng mas maraming pagpipiliang produkto na di kalidad pero kaya ng ating bulsa. Pinapakita rin ng bonansang ito ang magagandang pagtutulungan ng private sector at ng pamahalaan sa pagsisiguro na ang progreso ay inklusibo, makakarating sa nakararami. I encourage everyone to take part in this event. Support our local entrepreneurs, explore the wide range of products, and be part of the journey towards economic recovery and growth and the movement of mga wais na mamimili. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang Chongsan Mid-Year Bonanza 2026.